Hi, Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. I want to talk about our complimentary services that we offer when you hire us as your real estate agent. It's really important, all these little details and all the things the seller has to do in order to get their home ready for sale can be complicated, and it's a lot to organize. We want to take the edge off so you can focus on your next home. How can you get to your next home and purchase your next home or move to wherever you're going and have the smoothest process possible? So first off, we offer complimentary moving boxes. It's 40 free moving boxes with packing tape and packing wrap. That's going to get dropped off at your door at your convenience. Once you tell us, hey Cherrie, we're ready for our boxes, whether it's in the beginning of the move or at the end of the move, you just let us know and we'll get the boxes over to you. We also offer a decluttering service. It's 4 hours complimentary with a team to come home and help you pack up the items that you don't need on a daily basis. This declutter service is fantastic. They're going to help go through room by room by room and look at the things that you don't need out on the surface for your showings. We also offer a cleaning service. The cleaning service is for you right before you get ready to show the home. They come in, clean the home, vacuum, get those nice vacuum lines on the carpet. They're gonna mop, sweep, clean the ceiling fans, clean your bathrooms, your toilets, all of those little details so you don't have to worry about it. The day before showings, you're really focusing on where you're gonna go with the kids, the animals, and what you have to do at work and for your weekend. It's not about cleaning the home. We're also going to offer free staging consultation. What the free staging consultation is a stager will come through your property, walk through room by room, and give you ideas on what you can do to enhance the appeal to your home. It's not going to be staging with furniture. It's using what you already have in order to enhance how the home looks for pictures and video. Now, if you need staging furniture, you definitely can talk to the stager about doing so. In most cases, we say talk to us first before you do that. We do offer light staging services as well. We have decorative items, things to create a better setting, a better mood, pillows, bedding, beds. So we do have staging furniture as well at our disposal or at your disposal, so you're able to use them at no cost. Now, we also offer free window cleaning. You would be shocked how amazing window cleaning is. Once you get your windows cleaned, you'll realize you should have done it years prior. Clean windows in a showing can help a home feel light, bright, and really make the space feel so open because all your windows are open. You're proud to say, hey, here my blinds are open and look at our beautiful windows, look at the view outside. So free window cleaning complimentary. Now what happens is all of this stuff is organized for you. We put together an action plan email and we coordinate the times and dates of everybody coming through your home. So if we're going to do the decluttering service, window cleaning, house cleaning, staging consultation, and have the moving boxes dropped off, that's going to be something we're coordinating and giving you an action plan so you know what time to expect everybody and how we can make it work with your schedule. So now with all that being said, we don't charge more commission. It's the number one question we get. Well, that's great and all, but what do we pay for it? We charge the industry standard, pretty much the same commission as everybody else. When we talk in person, we'll be able to talk about commissions in more specifics, but just so you know, all of these services are complimentary and do not cost you any extra money. If you're thinking about selling your house, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye.